Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you can't comment someone on someone post, so you just try to do it and your action blocked. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to know that actually this block is temporary, so you just need to wait some time. So sometimes it's for about 1 hour, sometimes for 1 day, and sometimes also for 1 week. So you can see in this message action blocked, you will see how much for how much time you will be blocked. And also you need to know that actually you can try to log in into your Instagram account from another device, and also you can try to use another network. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on Wi-Fi. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. And this is also you can try another way. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.